Hello YouTubers, welcome back to GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair channel, where my job is to save you money. This afternoon I'm working a 2011 Chevrolet Traverse LT 3.6 automatic all-wheel drive, and customer want to get the cabin filter replaced for the air conditioning so it can perform better. It feels like the airflow has been decreasing a little. So they asked me, hey, can you check that out? And I say, you know what, let's bring you all guys with me into the video and the diagnostics. On this vehicle, the repair is quite straightforward, no big deal, pretty easy. But before I continue, I just wanted to ask you, if you're new to the channel, please take a second and just subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, like the video, share the video, comment what kind of videos you would like me to film or upload for you guys. It might help somebody around the world to fix the car right the first time, and at the same time save you money. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for your loyalty. I do appreciate you coming back and check out the video, and please don't forget to give it a thumb up, so that way you guys can help me with the YouTube algorithm. Anyhow, let's get into the video. Okay, this is pretty straightforward. Cabin filter is going to be right behind the glove box. So first of all, we're going to open that glove box right there, and we need to disconnect this little dampener, or kind of like a shock absorber, so that way this is nice and smooth. Here what it does, we're gonna take some lift the glove box a little to take that some of the weight out of the arm, and as you can see, pretty much came off. So it's gonna be down, you pull up and pull away. That's it. Now here you're gonna have 1 and 2 tabs, so you're gonna turn this counterclockwise one at a time. Okay, move it and it comes out. Now this only goes one way, so you cannot put it backwards because it doesn't go in, so you don't have to worry. You see, just go nice and flat up against the surface. Once again, this thing does not go in, so no need to worry about it. So you can put that on the floor. Right here, the same thing, kind of clockwise. Those two are the same, so it doesn't matter if you actually get mixed up. So here, right there, you press this little tab, press down. You kind of be kind with it, because sometimes this plastic and then they become brittle with time and the age of the vehicle. So this two tabs, the one that more in the center, just go to the top. Okay, this way it's not going to work. Now we're going to remove this, and yep, look at that. That will do it. All right, great. So let me place a camera here so I can get the new filter. Okay, got a new filter right here, nice and clean. And this is the part number that I'm going to be using for this repair right there. Again, I'm not a sponsor by anybody. Know this, STP or any other auto parts suppliers. Nobody pay me for anything. That's what I'm using. So hopefully that helped you guys. All right, so we're gonna open it up. Here with the cabin filter, we need to just make sure we put it on the correct position. Here, this is the way it comes out. Let's see, where is it? Yep, airflow is gonna go down, so we're just gonna add that one. Ours the same way. Done. This goes in. here, it goes back right there once again. So you remove this, so you go like this, put it up against it, up and press down. There you go. Okay, great. So right there, it is done. Okay, the filter housing where the filter goes in have this little guide. So if it does cover, you try to put her upside down, it's not gonna line up with the covers. So just make mental note, if in case you're not very mechanical inclined and you're having some issues, that might be the reason. Great. Now we're gonna bring this up, latch it back in place, and put this once before you release it. Remember, this only goes one way. Now you're gonna turn clockwise. That's one. 2. Done. Alright guys, again, that's all what I have for today. This was an easy repair. Hopefully you liked the video and help you to just change your cabin filter, save some money at the same time, and improve your air conditioning, and at the same time also eliminate some potential bad smells when you turn the AC on, because this eventually it gets starting to create some fungus. It's starting to get wet and smell, I mean. So that can be the root of one of those problems. So again, this is the part number. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, give it a thumb up. Once again, do your best, forget the rest. God bless. See you in the next video. Later.